The classic French toast. Oh, this is like really awesome for breakfast. Well, actually, even the afternoon, I'd like to have this. So that's good. So let's start. Here we have the loaf of bread, a bit of cinnamon, a cup of milk, and one egg. So let's start. Okay, here we put a glass of milk. It can be fresh milk or, powdered milk. That's fine. And then we add a pinch of salt. Here, let's get this. Okay, there, just a pinch of salt and about a spoon of sugar. We're using about 3 sachets here, so it's equivalent to a spoon of sugar. Okay, then another one, and then one more. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there. All right. Now we break the egg to beat it, to whisk it, I mean. All right, there you go. All right, we whisk this. We make sure all the sugar is dissolved. That's good. Now we add some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. This just makes it taste even better, you know. We whisk this away. This way it sticks to the bread the way whenever we soak it up. Okay, now it's good. Now we prepare it to the bread. We don't soak it. Don't leave it soaking up too long, because it makes the bread, break apart or be gooey. Now we take it off and put it on the plate here. The next one, we do about six. All right. You can do more if you want, but for me, six is more than enough. Now let's get to the pan. We heat up and melted a bit of butter. You can use oil, of course, but we decided to use butter here. All right. Now it's warming off. Oh, there. Okay, now here, this is the tricky part. About just don't go over 2 minutes. So it's about 1 minute per side. So just get it good and medium to low heat only. Oh, perfect! Look at that. Yes. All right. So about a little over 1 minute is enough. So now this is good. Yes. There you go. Now the next one. Add a bit more butter because it dried up really quick. Right there. Okay, now it's ready. Medium to low heat. Because if you put the heat too high, it just burns up the butter. Yes. Okay, a little over a minute. Then we flip it. See, it's all nearly perfect. Oh, perfect. Then one more minute. Then we remove it. Next one. Yes. So, 6 slices can do about, you'll be done like in less than 10 minutes. There you go. Okay, now remove this. It's just quick like that and easy. Next one. Yes. Then, of course, after a little over a minute, we flip it. Check it out. Oh, yeah. Looking really, really good. Now, this is going to be ready now. We remove it so we don't burn it up. Okay, we remove that. It's just to make this bread stick. The next one. Yes. If you have it on low heat, you can stay longer, but this is medium to low heat, so we just go with a little over a minute, like maybe 30 or 20 seconds over a minute. That's just perfect. You can see that. Okay, this is done now. Let me show you there. Okay, one last one. All right, here's the last one. Ta-da! Oh, sticky. Sorry. There you go. All right. Now I'm so ready to eat this. I'm gonna finish this up. Yes. Ooh, it got too hot there. You see that it got too hot, so it kind of like darkened it a little bit too much. Okay, now there. All right. Now let me unclip the phone and show you guys here. Oh yes, oh you look at that. Ooh, let's get to the table. I'm ready to have this. Here we are now. Yes, oh it looks so good. And you can also click here for the coffee French toast that we did, which is also French toast, but it's more on coffee for a coffee lover like me. That is really good. It's actually my favorite. So, yes, if you're enjoying this, subscribe. This way, you're going to be part of our community and enjoy all the good stuff. So, hey, this is going to be fun, right? So, see ya.